Let's talk about weekend weather. Damian Loads, First Alert Weather. Easter Sunday in the offing, of course, but we got to get through a Saturday first.
That's right, Doug. As we head throughout the next couple of hours, we'll see some showers here for the Metroplex. But as we head into the overnight hours, that's when the storms move in. And you mentioned Easter. I'll have an updated look at that forecast coming up. But first, we have a First Alert Weather Day in effect here for pretty much the next 12 hours, heading throughout tonight and early parts of your Saturday morning, tracking severe weather potential here during the next 12 hours especially. We have an updated look here at our storm zone. We have a level 1 storm zone here for the Metroplex and a level 2 storm zone up to the north and to the northwest. As far as what I'm tracking here for tonight, the good news is the overall support from the atmosphere to produce tornadoes and large hail, just not a lot of spin in the atmosphere. So tornadoes and large hail, those risks will be low and very low, which is a good thing. But if we look at the main risks, the main things I'm watching out for will be for damaging winds, and also I'm going to bump up that risk right there for flooding rainfall. We're going to see some pretty impressive rainfall totals here as we head into tonight. Now, as of right now, no severe thunderstorm watches in effect here for North Texas. We do have a flood watch in effect here for the Wichita Falls area. That's that heavy rainfall I was talking about, and that's what we're going to see here as we head into tonight. Currently on radar, we have some light showers here riding the I-20 corridor. This is just going to be the appetizer. The main course is going to be moving in here over the next couple of hours. And look at this. I'm tracking a line of severe storms from Kansas City all the way down through Wichita Falls, even extending into the Texas Panhandle. Now, this line of storms, it rocked the Oklahoma City metro. We had multiple tornado reports, multiple tornado warnings, and it looks like we had a tornado at Tinker Air Force Base, which is just in the East Oklahoma City suburb of Midwest City, Del City. So that's the kind of line that we are tracking right now. But as this line continues to drift its way to the south along the leading edge of a cold front, the good news is it'll pretty much be that wind and rainfall threat, flooding rainfall threat. So here's the latest timeline. Everybody wants to know when it's going to move in. Between midnight to about 3 a.m., the storms will stay up to the north and to the northwest. The timeline here for the Metroplex will be between 3 to 6 a.m. 4 to 5 a.m. is when it starts to move in. 5 to 6 a.m. is when it looks like it's going to peak in intensity. And then after that, it's going to sweep its way, continuing off to the south and to the southeast. So here's the latest with Future Track Radar. Right around 1 to 2 a.m., you can see these storms starting to fire here up to the north. And then by 3 to 4, once again, that's when they start to move in. They'll be knocking on the Metroplex's door right around 5 to 6 a.m. And it looks like the peak intensity will be during that 5 a.m., 6, 7 a.m. time frame. And these storms will last for a while. Take a look at the clock. We're now at 9 a.m. and there's still going to be a line of severe storms possible here moving through the Metroplex. But then right around midday, the storms will slowly start to exit their way off to the south and to the southeast, and we're going to see some pretty impressive rainfall totals with some of these as well. So definitely heads up for that. And as far as your Easter forecast, I didn't forget about that. We are going to be seeing some nicer conditions here for Easter. Lots of sunshine, a mild start. Easter egg hunts in the morning will be in the 50s. Afternoon highs will be in the 70s. So overall, your Sunday is looking A-OK. Let's get you up to date here with the rest of that extended forecast. And overall, once the storms move through tonight and tomorrow, after that, we're actually going to see a pretty nice and decent forecast here. We'll be watching out for those storms early on Saturday. Then we'll be in the 70s as we head into next week, and not really tracking much of a storm chance until we head into the later parts of next week as well. And you're up to date with the latest First Alert forecast.
All right, Damian, thanks very much.